Shalom and welcome to Israelite Studies. In this video, the precepts used for reading will cover the word topic, bird. The King James Version Bible is the translation of choice. We hope you are thoroughly edified. Proverbs 26 verse 2. As the bird by wandering, as the swallow by flying, so the curse causeless shall not come. Sirach 27 verse 9. The birds will resort unto their like, so will truth return unto them that practice in her. 1 Corinthians 15 verse 39. All flesh is not the same flesh, but there is one kind of flesh of men, another flesh of beasts, another of fishes, and another of birds.